Okay, sorry for disturbance. The previously what we saw actually a slide in insert we already saw slide tabs tables and the images, right? Now let's go with the illustration group. Okay, let me show one by one how we can use the illustration group. Okay, in illustration group we have the three options. First is shape, smart art and chart. Okay, let me show one by one how we can use that. Going to take a blank slide, one slide for shape, one slide for smart art, and one slide for my charts. Okay, let me go to the first slide and let me show how we can take shapes. You can see this is my triangle, this is my re rectangle. Okay, after that, let me take another shape going to the insert. After shape, let me take some oval shape. You can see even when I'm clicking on particular shape, I can do a many changes using by extra shape format. Okay, extra shape format tab will be open. You can see inside of there are a lot of options. We can choose that these options. Let me do it this color as green. Okay, and this one is color as it is whatever we have. And there is also extra options. If suppose I want to move backward, forward, I can do that. You know how we can do that? Click that particular shape and just say I want to send a backward. See, bring forward, bring backward. Click on over here. You can see my picture is right now in backside. So you can do that this feature also. Okay, this is I shown you how to take the shapes. Okay, now in second slide, I'm showing you how to take a smart art. Take a smart art, click any smart art like we previously done, cycle, take any kind of cycle and just say okay. You can see my smart art will be a coming. And when I am clicking on smart art, the two extra tab will be open that's called smart art designing and the formatting. Okay, you guys already know how to use that. We already done these features inside of my Word. Okay, I'm not showing again and again because a PowerPoint we are learning to how to presentation, not a designing. Okay, let's go. So the third slide, I'm taking going to the insert and taken a chart, a different kind of charts like a pie chart, bar chart for what? A presentation purpose. Let me take a pie chart. Okay, I'm clicking on pie chart and just say okay. You can see my pie chart is coming. So this is the way I can use same as it is where we already use in Word, right? We can use a Word features also inside of my PowerPoint. That's why I'm saying files, home, and insert this tab are as similar like a word, right? There is an extra tab is there that's called a draw, but right now I am using a 2016 version. How we can check which version we are using? Go to the files over here, not info, account. In account, we can see which version I'm using. I'm using 2016 version. When you are using about 2016 version, inside of that version, you can saw there is an extra tab that's called a draw. Draw tab we are using for drawing purpose. Okay. So here I'm using a 2016. I don't have the draw tab. Okay. I'm saying a draw tab extra. So let's go whatever we are left apart. Now suppose I want to create a link. Link we are using create for if suppose I want to jump anywhere. So let's see how we can do that. I'm taking one kind of link. Let me take one more slide for understanding purpose. I'm taking a blank slide, one more, and just let me open any kind of, oh, suppose I want to use YouTube, okay? I'm copying this YouTube link, copy from over here, and let me close it. So you can see in the down of bottom task bar, I don't have any open any kind of the Chrome. Okay, when I am pasting over here, before pasting, I need to take a text box. I'm taking text box. Let me draw it over here and right click and the paste. This is YouTube link. After that, I need to select that link again, go to the insert. and there is an option link. Click over here, paste again your link address and just say okay. So what exactly, when you are clicking in this link, the automatically you will jump on the Chrome. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on this link. You can see the automatically I'm on a YouTube. Okay. Okay, let me go back again to the PowerPoint. Again, there is another option in a link that called action. Action means what kind of action we need to perform. Like suppose, I'm going over here and clicking and one website will be open. So we can add this kind of actions. How we can add? Let me select it. You can see over here there is already action we did it. When you are creating any kind of link, it will be open as a hyperlink. Hyperlink means what? When we are clicking on that link, it will be automatically navigated that particular stage. Okay, so action, you can see when I'm clicking on action, there is a mouse click hovers. When I'm hovering, it will be saying, when I'm clicking, it will be going to the navigate of that my particular page. Okay, so it's a similar whatever we are using in link. Now commenting part we already done inside of our down bottom, right? Commenting means if there is a lot of when I'm going to the present something and there is a sitting a lot of people, suppose they are commenting about my topic, about my line, so I can comment right over there, and after when I'm going at home, I can correct that whatever they told me. Okay, so this is all about the commenting.